Multiculturalism to me is being able to connect with others from different cultures.
A celebration for diversity and just for all cultures around the world, just come together as one and just celebrate just our differences and just be as one. Love.
So this year's Telstra ARIA Music Teacher of the Year award goes to Antonio Chiappetta.
This kind of thing is really special. And sorry, I'm a bit emotional now, man. Thank you so much, Australia.
I think the walking to school was really fun. It was a great opportunity for us to learn more about the environment, and I hope that more kids would want to do it.
The children have gone into class today really energised, and I'm expecting a really good day of learning because of it.
Welcome to the Design Challenge.
Essentially, this is where we're going to solve a real-world problem in the space of a day.
I suppose today's message is that our learning is really about the process, not the perfect product that we come to at the end.
I like big books and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. When a book comes into the library bin and looks so fresh, I want to check it out. Joey got books.
I'd like to thank Cheryl for giving me wings.
I thank you for being a really strong female leader and a role model to all of us girls and boys.
Mrs. LaRocca, I want to thank you for your kindness and compassion that you've given me to shape the person that I am now.
Thank you, Mrs. Cox, for the love, life and energy you bring to our school. We will miss you and all the memories that you've given us.
Marianne, you really are an amazing woman.
I want to thank her for always doing the best she can to help our school.
I would like to thank Mrs. Castoon for giving me a voice and making me more confident in myself, because I used to be very shy.
And to personally thank Tish for the wonderful person that she is.
For your constant support and allowing us to see potential in ourselves and working hard.
Thank you, Mark, for taking such good care of my children.
I just wanted to thank you for being the most approachable and friendly school principal I've seen out of all the schools I've been to.
Reach out.
Tackle real-world problems.
Make a difference.
In the heart of Western Sydney, Cath West Innovation College has a strong focus on developing skills for success. Cath West Innovation College.
It's school done differently.
I'm going to give you a story of adventure, risk-taking and also talk about success.
Today we got a visit from Dick Smith. Just think he had a good message for us, and I really hope everyone listened to it because he's an inspirational character and he's done a lot for us.